bloodshed.
Okay, and it's about martial arts, so do you practice any martial arts?
No, far from. Well, when you're a parent, you actually emotionally you perform a lot of martial arts.
Do you have any martial arts films that you like or inspired you to like production?
There's so many of them made. I like the genre films made out of Korea, like Raid was amazing. Also Train to Busan, and there's so many genre films that have actually broken through at major festivals, and like we're hoping that that's the same happens with King.
And I have one more question. The movie is about like love, so have you ever had a rescue mission as the main character?
I really hope not. I would never want to be in a predicament like the main lead protagonist. It's a scary place to be in.
I'm playing a commando in the film, NSG Commando, National Security Guard. So it's a very elite force in India that protects, from terrorism attacks and all these massive attacks that happen in the country. So I'm a part of that squad, yeah.
So do you practice any martial arts styles by yourself?
Yeah, of course. Like I have done a couple of when I was 17, 18, I started off as a wrestler. I did a couple of wrestling during my school days, and then for this film as well. Like we trained for 8 or 9 months consecutively. So of course, like a lot of training has gone into it.
And then, have you had any love rescue missions, much like the two characters in the film?
In the film, of course, yeah. I have to rescue 2 of the people that I love the most. So yeah, it's a rescue film. It's a revenge film. It's everything all at once.
And then I have one more question. Do you believe in love at first sight?
Of course I do. Yeah, I've fallen prey to that once. That has happened once in my life. So yeah, of course I have.
Achin Jain. I'm the producer of The Kill.
Okay, so have you done any production similar to this?
No, nowhere close to the amount of action and the violence that we have done in this film. I think it's what we are saying back home is that I think at Sikhya, we have done the violence collectively of all the films that we have. This film we have poured in all the violence from all our other films in this, so we have nowhere close to the what's there in Kill.
I know there's a lot of martial arts in the movie, so do you practice any martial arts styles yourself?
I think my figure will tell you nothing at all. It's all with Lakshya our lead.
Do you have any favorite films, martial arts films?
So I'm a big fan of Old Boy and The Raid. So I mean, Old Boy is something that we have all grown up on. So in our own way we have tried to create something small, something similar to what these great genre films have done in the past. So this is our small effort in trying to pay homage to all those genre films.
Apurva Mehta.
Okay, and what's your role in the film?
So I'm the producer of the film from Dharma Productions.
So have you done any similar productions to this?
No, it's not. I mean, our films are extremely non-violent. I mean, the maximum you'll see on the films we produce is a slap or a push. So this is really doing the 360. We've done everything possible that we've not done all these years in this film.
What were some of the roadblocks you faced while filming and producing?
I think the film started when we were shooting. The film started post-COVID, so we had a lot of casualties in the shoot because a lot of the director fell sick with COVID, the actor fell sick with COVID, so we got a bit delayed, and it's a very intense film because it's shot in one train, and so it was tough. It was a tough shoot, but it's all turned out really well. Touch wood.
Hi, I'm Samia with Awesome TV, and I'm here with
Guneet Monga Kapoor.
And you're a producer on this, so have you done anything similar to this?
No, this is my first time insane action film. It's India's most violent and goriest film, and so we are here for our premiere. We opened at Toronto, and today we are at Tribeca, and we are releasing the film on 4th of July in US with Lionsgate and Roadside Attraction. I'm excited, but this is all first time for any Indian film, so yeah.
And what were some of the roadblocks you faced while producing?
I think roadblocks, not more than roadblocks, they were more about designing the choreography. The whole film is set in one single train, in one single space. So it's really important to keep the audience engaged till the very end. So I think we had a lot of discussion on making it exciting.
There's a lot of martial arts in the film, so do you have a favorite martial arts style that you practice or a favorite movie?
I'm just the producer.
Nikhil. I'm the writer-director of the film. Kill.
Have you directed anything like this before?
No, this is the first time I've directed action before. This is the first time I've directed action. The other films were dark comedy or romantic thrillers, but this is the first time I've ever dabbled into action. I like hardcore gory action.
So there's a lot of martial arts in the film. Do you practice any martial arts or have a favorite movie?
Sorry, come again.
Do you practice any martial arts? What about a favorite movie?
Favorite film, favorite martial art film. Bruce Lee films, all Bruce Lee films. They are like they are the I would say they're the Bible for any action films. Yeah, so yeah, Enter the Dragon. I think it's one of the best films ever made. Yeah.
What were some of the roadblocks you faced while directing?
Like I said, I'd never directed an action film before, so I had to do a lot of homework. I wouldn't say it was one of the roadblocks, but it was, that's a kind of a challenge because directing action is a different ball game altogether. So I had to do a lot of prep, a lot of research. I wrote down all the action sequences, like in detail, all the action sequences. In fact, if a person is taking a step back, I've written it down in the script that, this person takes a step back and raises his right hand up. So I've written everything down so that, I am prepared when I'm going for the shoot. I know exactly what I want.
Happy 4th anniversary. Yes.
Yes!
Bejan!
जाकर बोल दे उसे आ रहा हूं मैं छुड़ाने। किसने किया? जिस हिसाब से फाइट चलाता है ना साला, चाचा ये साधारण फौजी नहीं है।